Health is an asset to the life of our community. It's also true that the extent to which each of us can enjoy a healthy life depends, in part, on resources we share in common. One such resource is an accessible network of healthcare providers. Another is a comprehensive array of thriving community services and charitable organizations. Preferred Health Systems is one company in Wichita that has been on a hard-working mission to ensure the availability of both resources. The story of its emergence as one of the state's largest managed care insurers is also the story of the common ground PHS has forged between employers, employees, and caregivers to serve a common good: health, not just as the absence of illness, but as a quality of life our whole community can enjoy. During the early 1990s, a number of economic issues challenged the affordability of Wichita's existing healthcare services. There was a real need for a way to effectively manage those costs for both the patient and the provider. Partly in response to this need, Preferred Health Systems was incorporated in 1993 with the help and encouragement of area physicians as well as the Wichita hospitals that were then known as St. Francis and St. Joseph. The growth of both the PHS network of providers and the support of its contracting employers was both rapid and sustained. PHS acquired Preferred Plus of Kansas to provide managed primary care focus plans in 1994, then added Preferred Healthcare the next year to establish a statewide preferred provider organization. These acquisitions set up what turned out to be a banner year of growth in 1996, culminating in the enrollment of more than 18,000 Boeing employees and their families. Recognized as one of the nation's top 10 fastest-growing provider-owned HMOs in 1997, PHS continued to experience dramatic growth in insured members, precipitating a move to a new corporate home in 1999. In that same year, Via Christi Regional Medical Center acquired 100% of the company's stock.
I think the relationship that Preferred Health Systems has forged with Via Christi over the years has been a major component in our success. We can now provide to employers through our insurance products the availability of Via Christi services in many, many facets, not just hospital care, but outpatient services, radiology services, lab services, and now even physician office services.
An era of innovation in member services and provider cost management began that saw the use of web-based tools to give members and their providers secure access to information related to each member's plan, claims activity, and prescription coverages, and the development of employer-sponsored wellness programs.
Every employer faces a real challenge when it comes to providing quality health care opportunities for their employees. PHS has been a great partner for us through the years in finding flexible ways for us to make sure that our people are going to be well taken care of. They're willing to come up with innovative solutions, and if we have special situations, they're willing to talk those through with us as well, so that we feel that it is indeed a trusted partnership where we recognize that they're going to have our best interests at heart.
For quality companies, growth is always accompanied by a growing sense of responsibility, both to their employees and the community they share in common. Voted one of the best places to work in 2005 and 2006, PHS now provides employment for more than 200 Wichita area families. As you might expect, the company provides comprehensive wellness programs that encourage its own employees to get the most out of their health.
Our wellness program allows our employees to walk the talk, and as we partner with our groups and our clients and asking them to establish healthy behaviors, we have to establish those ourselves. We have on-site yoga and aerobics. We do a series of financial peace from the Dave Ramsey program. We have blood drives. We have our own biometrics to establish where our health status is ourselves, and so we are encouraging our staff to be involved and engaged in these healthy and wellness activities.
Founder and CEO Marlon Donner has often said that the company's employees don't work for PHS, they are PHS. What both the employees and the company are is generous in the giving of their time and support to Wichita State University, the Children's Miracle Network, and many other charitable organizations.
We've asked our employees to be very active in the community, participate in charitable activities and events throughout the community, participate on boards of charitable organizations, make contributions to those organizations.
There's many opportunities that our employees get involved through the mentoring program, through events like walks. We also have employees that through either on their own time or through the company time, they support boards, and that helps them understand the needs of our community.
Of course, the most visible way in which PHS gives to the City of Wichita is through its sponsorship each year of the Wichita Open, an event where employees always turn out as enthusiastic volunteers. A chance for Wichitans to see the future champions of the PGA Tour, the Open is also a healthy $3.4 million booster shot for the city's economy.
We need 500 volunteers to make this thing happen. And we get an awful lot of the employees who come out there and get involved. They're saying we're going to get out of here and we're going to support this community via this event, which then enabled us to give over $100,000 to local charities. Without preferred health systems, this wouldn't be happening.
A company that began as an effort to respond to rising healthcare costs has grown to become a major benefactor of the health and well-being of the nearly 200,000 Kansans who are now PHS members, and countless more who benefit from Preferred Health System's tireless commitment to invest its success in making Wichita a healthy place to call home.